So how's the stress level in your home this morning? The editor-in-chief of INBETWEEN magazine, Rachel Naud, joins us with ways to keep your family calm. Good morning.
Good morning, Annette. How are you?
I'm doing very well. How are you? Your house seems peaceful this morning.
Yes, we're all zen right now. We're all equipped to deal with our stress because it's stressful times right now, right?
Yes, or whether you're dealing with at-home schooling or figuring out schedules at school, busing schedules, work schedules.
Yeah, like fall is always a busy, hectic time. You throw in a pandemic, and the anxiety and stress we feel is really magnified. And we know if we don't deal with the stress we're feeling, that it can weaken our immune system. So we don't want that to happen, especially now going into cold and flu season, and of course, COVID. We want to stay as healthy as possible. So there's things we can do at home to support our own immunity, like get enough sleep, make sure we're eating a healthy diet, and of course, getting a healthy dose of essential vitamins and minerals. In my house, I like to stock up with this emergency immune plus drink. Um, because when you take it in conjunction with all the things I mentioned, like eating well and getting enough sleep, it can really help support your immune function. This little packet here has as much vitamin C as 10 oranges. It's also packed with 7B vitamins and some zinc and some vitamin D, which really helps to prevent colds. It's super easy to take. You just dump it in like a 4 to 6 ounce glass of water, stir it up, and there you have it. Sometimes I put this in my water bottle when I'm on the go, or at night, I actually put it in a warm glass of water, and it's just a nice drink to have on a chilly fall night.
Okay, I like the Epsom salts too. That's a great thing for your immune system.
Yeah. So, is there anything better than soaking in a hot bath, Annette?
No, no.
No. And researchers found that sitting in a hot bath for 1 hour is just as good for us as taking a 30-minute walk. Can you believe it?
Really?
Yeah, because the hot water gets our heart rate going. It burns as much as 140 calories. It's also great for inflammation, and it's had good blood sugar responses as well, which can help, guard against illness and infection. So take a bath. But if you really want to up your bath experience, I put these two products in my bath. They're both from the Dr. Teal's Vitamin C Glow and Radiance collection. The first one is the Epsom salts, which you mentioned. These are great for, soothing your tired, achy muscles, especially after you've had a hard workout. And then I put in the foaming bath because there's nothing better than a foamy bubble bath. But what happens is the Epsom salts works with the vitamin C and the essential oils in these products to help soothe our muscles, just revitalize our mental health. But it also helps to moisturize our skin, which is important going into these colder, drier winter and fall months. And it also gives our skin a nice glow. So it's a win-win.
And it's a great way of kind of prepping your body for a good night's sleep as well. We've got a minute left. We cannot ignore a treat.
Exactly. So I know we said we should all eat healthy, but let's face it, sometimes we need to treat ourselves. We need to indulge a little, have some comfort food. I have a sweet tooth, and I love these Walker wafers and cookies. There's a flavor for everyone in my household. My son likes the vanilla. I like the hazelnut. My husband likes the chocolate.
And my husband likes the lemon ones.
Oh yeah, those
Yes.
are good too. They're they're so light to eat, but because they don't have any artificial flavors or colorings, you really are biting into a decadent cookie. So you can get these anywhere in major retailers across Canada. But I also made, I don't know if you can see, Annette, I made this chocolate torte with
Very
the
nice.
cookies.
Okay, very
And-
cool. We've run out of time. I wish you were here so that I could try that. But lovely to see you again, Rachel. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you.